Hello, how to solve this is n times n times n equals 1 over 27, solving for all values of n. That satisfies this equation. So let's multiply this out. N times n power 2 times n, this is n power 3 equals 1 divided by 27. Base power 3 here. I can decide to express this one as 1 power 3. That means 1 to the power of 3. It is the same thing as 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. And for 27 here, I can express it as 3 to the power of 3, which is 3 times 3 times 3, and that is 27. That means we have n power 3 equals 1 power 3 divided by 3 power 3. Now, if you have a power c divided by b power c, this equals a divided by b, or to the power of c. So we have n power 3 equals 1 divided by 3 to the power of 3. Let's move this over here. So we now have n power 3 minus 1 divided by 3, and this to the power of 3, and this equals 0. So from here, we have this equation and we need to expand. So we make use of this. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And my a is n, and my b is 1 over 3. So applying that here, we have n minus 1 over 3 times n squared plus n times 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 to the power of 2 equals 0. From here, of n minus 1 over 3 times this is n squared plus this is n over 3 plus, let's distribute this. We have 1 power 2 divided by 3 power 2, and this equals 0. So from here, have n minus 1 over 3 times this is n squared plus n over 3 plus 1 power 2 is 1 divided by 3 power 2, that is 9, and this equals 0. From here, we equate this and this to 0. I have n minus 1 over 3 equals 0. I have n squared plus n over 3 plus 1 over 9 equals 0. So let's solve these individual equations. We start with the first one here. I move this over here. I have n equals 1 over 3. That is my n1. Now to solve this other one here, let's copy it out. I have n squared plus n over 3 plus 1 over 9 equals 0. And this is over 1. We find the common LCM here, which is 9. So 9 divides 1, 9 times n squared, we have 9n squared plus 9 divides 3, 3 times n, we have 3n plus 9 divided 9, 1, 1 times 1, we have 1 equals 0. This over 1. We cross multiply. This multiplies 1, this multiplies 0. We have 9n squared plus 3m plus 1 equals 9 times 0, 0. Now, what we are going to do will be to solve this. So we apply this formula, n equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So from here, we have a equals 9, which is this, b equals 3, which is this, and c equals 1, which is this. So inserting them into this formula, have n equals -3 plus or minus square root of, this is 3 power 2 minus 4 times 8 times 1 divided by 2 times 8. So from here, let's simplify this. Simply have n equals -3 plus or minus square root of, this is 9 minus this is 36 divided by 18. From here, we have n equals -3 plus or minus this is square root of -27 divided by 18. From here, we have n equals -3 plus or minus this minus here. We have square root of -1 times square root of 27 divided by 18. This is I. So from here, we have n equals -3 plus or minus I times square root. This is 9 times 3, that is 27 divided by 18. So from here, we have n equals -3 plus or minus I times, this is square root of 9 times square root of 3 divided by 18. So from here, we have n equals -3 plus or minus I times square root of 9, that is 3 times root 3 divided by 18. So right now, 3 cancel itself once, cancel this once, cancel this 6. So we have n equals, this is -1 plus or minus I times root 3 divided by 6. So from here, I can factor out 1 over 6. This is -1 plus or minus I times root 3. So we have two complex values. It's -1 plus I root 3 and -1 minus I root 3 all divided by 6. Now we also have one real value here, which is this one here, 1 over 3. So if we want to verify, we consider using that one here. So let's go ahead and verify. We have n equals 1 over 3. So this is n times n times n equals 1 over 27. And our n is 1 over 3, so we can insert that particular value for n here. So this is 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 equals 1 over 27. So from here, we have 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1, divided by 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27, and this equals 1 over 27. Left hand side equals right hand side. Solution satisfied. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.